Hey guys, it's Paige, and today I'm back with another makeup video, and I'm pretty pumped for this video because it involves lipstick. And if you guys know me, you know that I love lipstick. Lipstick of all different colors, mostly pinks, reds, you know what I mean. But I like different shades of lipstick. So I have 3 different lipsticks here with me today. And I'm going to be showing you the difference between a cheap Wet n Wild lipstick that cost me around $1 to $2. This lipstick from the brand E from the drugstore for around $3 or $4. I'm pretty sure it's $4. And this MAC lipstick that my mom gave me, I'm not sure how much it costed. It could be anywhere from the price range from $15 to $35. So, pretty expensive. Now, the first lipstick that I'm going to be testing on is this Wet n Wild $1 or $2 lipstick. I got it from the dollar store. Keep in mind I have tested these lipsticks before, but I'm just showing you them today. So, the first thing I'm going to be testing is the packaging. So, the packaging is pretty straightforward. It looks like, you can see the lipstick. It's just a black package, just a black tube, a lid that's clear, and it says Wet n Wild on it. But what I do kind of like is the lid. It has a unique shape, and the bottom has a unique shape, but I don't know, it's not really anything special. But maybe the formula makes up for the packaging. Let's see. So, basically, it is like a red color. It's in the shade Ready to Swoon. I'm not 100% sure what that means. I'm not 100% sure if I even want to know. But let's just test it out. So, the formula might make up for the packaging. I'm not too fond of it so far. But, let's try one coat. It doesn't really have that much pigment. So, I'm going to try a second coat. And it does say on it that it's buildable. Oh, I messed up. But does that look any darker than that? Don't get me wrong, I actually really like this. I wear it quite a bit, like when I'm going out or something. Not every day, but it is kind of like a waxy texture. It glides on very smoothly. It's very good for beginners, and if you don't know if you like that shade, buy it in a cheaper version, more of an expensive version, because if you like that shade, then you can buy it in a more expensive form. So, I like that. I'm going to rate these out of 10. Out of 10, I would rate this a solid 7. 7 or 8. So, I rate this an 8. Okay, so, I'm just taking this off. Okay, and if I have some red, if I have some red around my mouth, that's because of that lipstick. Just ignore it. Don't worry. The next one is this lipstick that cost $4. It was from Shoppers Drug Mart, and it's in the brand E. It has a little E on it. See? Wait. See? Can you guys see that? It has an E on it. That's the whole point. And it is in the shade 11. Nude Love. This one actually has like a number for the shade and a name, so plus for that. And the packaging I think is kind of neat. It's pretty plain. It has like what the lipstick is going to look like right here. Like a little band of it right here. Instead of showing you the actual lipstick, which I kind of like about this. And I also like the E actually printed on the lipstick and on the top. It's pretty simple, but I would feel pretty fancy carrying this around in my purse. Well, not fancy, but it's pretty good. So I like the packaging. Now we're going to rate it on the actual texture and color and things like that. So in the first coat, it looks like that. It is a nude lipstick. It has quite a bit of pigment. I really like it. It glides on pretty smoothly. It's a whole like different texture thingy than the other one, because that one had glitter in it and this is matte. And that one, it had like a glittery texture. It wasn't the best, but it was okay. And this one glides on smoothly, but isn't as like lip balm Vaseline textured. And it does have more pigment, so this one could have been like Vaselined over or something. But I do like this one better than the other one, just a little bit. Color-wise, texture-wise, and packaging-wise. But if you're starting it with makeup, I'd probably start out with this one. I would rate this probably, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to rate it. That's probably not the way I should go about this. Now, dun dun dun, the MAC lipstick. It's very expensive at MAC. I've been inside one of those stores before with my aunt. I've never been to MAC like alone or anything, or with my mom. I've been to Sephora before though. That is very expensive as well. This one is in the shade Snob A65. I like it because it has the name and a letter and a number. So it is pretty interesting. For the packaging, it is different than both of these. Because this one doesn't have much to it. And they're both flat topped. And this one is like a rounded bullet. I don't know. Bullet kind of shaped. And instead of a pink band, it has a silver band and a silver MAC. Okay. If this makes me sound a little stereotypical, like, please let me know, but I would say this one looks like something a younger person would carry around, and this one looks like maybe like an older person, like 16 to older. I don't know. Let's not text. Well, I go on my phone too much, don't I? Yikes. Let's test it on the color. It looks pretty good. But the only downfall to it is you can't see the color of the lipstick through it, so you don't know. So I'm going to do a quick swatch of it on right here. That is the most pigmented lipstick so far. If you're looking for opaqueness, this is the lipstick for you. It doesn't glide on as smoothly as the other one. It's a little thicker. Wow, I actually really like this. I haven't worn this one before. It looks weird with other lipstick like around my mouth a bit, but I would totally wear this a lot. It is a lot more opaque, has a lot more pigment. It's a lot thicker, which is probably a little more uncomfortable. Let's see how easily it comes off. It doesn't come off as easy as the other ones, which is probably good, so it stays on longer. But let me know Where's the MAC lipstick? Shoot. Okay, right here. So, tell me which one you guys like the best. I don't know if it's worth it to buy the $30 one. I like these two mostly the same as this one. They just have different, colors and textures, but they're all pretty good. Just comment down below if you like the $1 or $2 one, the 3 or 4, or the $15 to $30 one. Wet n Wild, MAC. Comment down below which one you like the best and you think it's worth it to spend your money or save the money. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed.